This is a quick guide on how to buy shares of Middlefield Banc Corp. Middlefield Banc Corp is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MBCN, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MBCN to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Middlefield Banc Corp on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the company summary and basic information about Middlefield Banc Corp. Check the price chart and confirm the page shows NASDAQ and ticker MBCN. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may wait to execute. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example broker link, check the description below.